Hi everyone, in this video, I will be showing you how to export chat history from Telegram. So take note that you can only do this using your laptop. So to export chat history before, if you're using the old version of Telegram, it's so easy. And you can only do that using your laptop or computer. So you have to log in to your Telegram here and then locate the specific chat that you want to export. Now, once you found it, then what you're going to do is to tap this three dots at the right corner. Before, if you tap this, then you will see that export or chat export history. But now they have removed it and we don't know why. So you cannot see that export chat history when you tap this three dots. So the best thing to do here if you want to export chat history is you have to do a backup on your Google Drive. So what you're going to do is you have to get your phone, do a backup, and then go to your settings here, tap data and storage, and you have to make sure that you have ticked these boxes. So as you can see, auto download contacts, auto download group chats, auto download any options right here. So once you have your backup drive and you have auto download these features, then you have automatically get a copy or you also export chat history here. So as you can see, if you go to these three dots, there is no export chat history. They have removed it. Then what you're going to do here is you just have to wait till the Instagram application or the Instagram tool will allow this feature again on this three dots. But for now, I cannot show you any method on how to see that export chat history because on my PC here, I cannot see that. So you just have to wait. And then for the meantime, you just have to follow the second method, and that is to do a backup drive and go to your data and storage and then do this auto download, including your group chat and also your chats on specific conversation or Telegram user. As easy as that. So if you have found this video helpful, please do like and subscribe to our channel. And if you want to suggest any topic, please do comment down below. And see you again in our next video tutorials.